Welcome to our business session for this week with your host and coach, Irene. Now, if you've not watched last week's episode, do it right now because you need the business coaching and it's free of charge. Just go to the Campusa magazine and subscribe down there, and also leave me a comment because I do respond to those comments whenever I can. Now, this week we have a very interesting topic. I'm responding to David. So if you are David, you must watch this because I'm responding to your question. So you asked a question that how can I invest in a long-term business? How can I invest in something that I don't expect maybe to get a profit in the short-term period? So David, I'm here to answer your question in today's segment, that is business coaching. The topic is passive investments. So most of you've been hearing passive investment, side hustles, and you don't know what is it. So let's dive right in with me, Coach Irene, today's topic. Now, I'm so glad that most of you get back to me. And because of that, we were able to get today's topic. Now, what is passive investing, or what they call passive investments? Now, passive investment is an investment strategy that is executed over a long period of time. Like the time frame for your profit is a long-term period. Now that is a passive investment. So any investment you're going to put your money into, and probably you tend to get money in a long period of time. It can be 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, even 10 or 15. That's a passive investment. So just like as the saying goes, a passive investment equals to a passive income. We're not talking about tomatoes where you sell today, you get the money today. So what are some of the examples of passive investment? Very interesting. These are the things you know daily, but probably you didn't know or understood that they are actually passive investments. One is shares, limited liabilities. Now, what are limited companies? I beg your pardon, it is not liabilities. These are limited companies by shares. Most of you have those companies where you have shares in. Now, those are passive investments. Another one is stock. If you're buying stock in any company, you are dealing in a passive investment. Another one is real estate. If you have houses for rentals, you're dealing in passive investments. The return on your income, the return on your investment is long-term. That is a passive investment. Now, those are some of the common ones, but let's move far away from that and go to the one which is popular right now. Examples of passive investments. Let's go to content creation. So if you're a content creator and you're making content, definitely you are in passive investment, because the time you're investing in and the finances you're investing in, you're not gaining your profits there and then. It is not a short-term period investment or profit investment. So you are dealing in a passive investment. Your income is passive. Another example is affiliate marketing. Now, if you've been on social media and you've seen that several social media posts which says sponsored post, affiliate marketing by so and so, that is a passive investment. Like you partner with someone and with over time, you are getting paid, but after a long period of time. If you're creating content like the way I am creating the business coaching segment, and probably you're doing it in another category, it can be technology, it can be health, beauty, name it, you are in passive investment. So guys, how do we earn from passive investments? Okay, before we look at our earnings, how do you find yourself in a passive investment? Now, passive investments are for people that are patient. They are patient with their money. Probably they don't have an immediate expenditure or something that can need their finances there and then. Like my friend David, you asked me this question. Probably I am assuming that you have money in the bank and you're wondering what can you invest in. You can invest in shares in any company of your choice. You can start a limited company by shares of your choice. You can still do affiliate marketing if you're the social media marketing type of person, and so many other things. Now, how do we earn from a passive investment, given the fact that it is long term? First of all, it requires time, a lot of time. Some require a lot of time. I'm talking about the content creators, the affiliate marketing. But if you're going to invest in things like shares or treasury bills, or you're investing in bonds, you don't need time. What you need is, again, you need like a technical person. So if you're thinking of investing in shares and bonds, treasury bills, I suggest you get yourself a financial advisor, because that kind of business is not the kind that you just dive into. You need a technical person that understands the game and the business to represent you, to educate you, to advise you on your financial tech before you do anything else. But I think we shall come back another time and discuss that in length, because I know most of you're interested in that side of the game. So let's go back on the other side. So how do you gain? Now, if you've invested in such passive investment, therefore, you're going to get paid by dividends. I'm talking about the shareholders. You're going to get paid with dividends after some period of time. If you've invested in real estate, you're going to get paid by profits, but it is after a long period of time. After your recovery has elapsed, then you start getting the profit on your asset. And also, for other affiliate marketings, you get paid in terms of cash plus also products. Affiliate marketing, they do give you bonuses in terms of products and some cash. Then content creators, you do get paid also in terms of cash and sponsorship and all that, partnership and all that kind. So at the end of the day, guys, passive investment is actually passive income. If you have all the time and the means to do it, I encourage you to dive in the business. It is well managed business that you can gain from. So it is not a bad idea to get in such businesses, because it is well paying. Real estate is well paying. Being a shareholder is not a bad thing. It is good. So David, I have answered you, and I'm glad that you've asked this question. Because of you, now we do know what passive investment is and passive income is. So until next time, it's been Irene, your coach. Please do subscribe and send me messages, and also do send me direct messages, because I love to hear from you, to guide you, to mentor you. It's been a pleasure. Until next time, bye.